are the test cables we have for Voyager. The first one eliminates the entire spool of cable on the reel and your slip ring. The one end of the cable plugs in on the back side underneath here. The other end of the cable will plug into your tractor. To get to this connection, I'll need to remove this back panel. There's 4 screws here. This end of the cable will plug in right here. You'll need to first remove this cable. The second cable is for our video.
Okay.
I'm going to plug in our BNC and our power and communications cable. And then the other end will plug into your tractor like normal. Another test cable that we have is to bypass the power from the reel to the breaker box. This cable is just 3 pins. We'll have to disconnect this cable here. Plug in our test cable. And plug the other end of the test cable into an outlet. After connecting this test cable, we should be able to turn on the reel and make sure the power is working.